In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find groups on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here at that magnifying glass icon, just like that, and then just search for some groups. Let's say I want to search for groups about USA houses, so I have just entered USA houses, and now I'm gonna tap at search. After that, we need to tap at groups to filter search results by groups, and it will show us all the groups about USA houses. We can scroll down to search for some specific group. However, we can also filter that groups by location. We can tap at that filters icon, select city, and then we can type in any city, let it be New York, and then also we can turn on public groups or my groups to filter by these options, and then I'm gonna tap at show results. That's how you can easily find Facebook groups.